Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got a big old box today, guys. So you might want to check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Much appreciated. And now we'll get into the box. Couldn't fit on the table, that's for sure. We got a big one. I have no idea what this is. Alright, I'm going to put you guys down. Alright, about there. Here we go. And let's see what's inside. Alright, got it open. Oh, I gotta cut this open. 2 more cuts. And there we go. Whoa. Alright, this might be cool. We got an electric scooter. I can scoot around town. We got it from AllMove, it's called. Alright. I think we have them in Michigan. Sure. I don't know how laws they change every day, it seems like. There we go. Alright. Big old box. There we go. They made it across here. No problems. So, like I said, if you guys order it, you'll have no issues with shipping. Everything will come like so. Electric scooter. Hopefully it's not too hard to put together. It's the first time ever doing a scooter. So, let's give it a shot. Be nice for kids, you know, graduation gifts. I think everyone's graduating now. Summertime, everyone's gonna be out more. Great for the beach. Here we go. Come on. Man, they got this good taped up and everything. Alright, I'm gonna pause you guys. It'll take a second or two. Alright guys, this is what it looks like when you get it out of the box. You got the tools and everything there. Right down there. Got the main base right here. Alright, put you guys on pause. Alright guys, I think these are like the handlebars. I think. You got the power supply right here to charge it up. Got a nice little travel bag. Maybe you guys could do DoorDash. Or like I said, be a nice little beach day, do your vlogs. You can have your power bank, another phone, even a small tablet. You know, cigarettes and whatnot, and other stuff. Pretty cool. And it's already kind of put together. You just got to probably screw a few things in. Should be an easy setup. So thank you guys at AllMove for sending me this. And we'll put you guys on freeze right now. So I could look into this. Alright guys, yep. See the handlebars right there. Power supply. And then you get 3 Allen wrenches. One's like a screwdriver type Allen wrench. You got the small one and a big one, kind of big one. But we got it all. I think I gotta lift this up. There's right there the Allen wrench. And then put that thing together. And then you got the backlight right there. Really nice. So I can't wait to give this a try. It's like skateboarding days, you know. But these kind of remind me of like when I was a kid, like they had not electric ones, but just normal kind of scooters. But this is definitely going to be a fun one. We'll be right back. Alrighty guys, we got it installed. Really easy to do. Got a display right there. Comes with a nice LCD display. Got the handlebars installed. He's going to close this down. Right here, gotta push it down and screw these in, and then It locks in. And right here is to adjust the height of the handlebars. So I got it all the way up. Looking good. Got a little kickstand right down there. And this little bracket right here is for the to fold it. I'll show you guys at the end. Got to kick the kickstand. But definitely be careful. If this is your first time riding on these. I am no expert at this. So you might want to use a protective helmet and pads. So you just got to press this thing on. I'm not sure how to stand on these things. But hopefully I don't hurt myself. Here we go. Turn it on. Everything looks good. East, west. You can switch. There you go. See, it kind of moves. Let me put you guys down for a second. Alright, guys. Definitely going to hurt myself doing this. So we're going to keep it as is video. AllMove. Really nice. All the way up. You just got to give it a little step to give it a go. A good push. You'll be scooting no time. Comes with a brake light. And then reflectors on the side. Really cool. So there you go, guys. AllMove scooter, electric scooter. You guys be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.